Welcome to the Technological Institute of the Philippines, Manila, where futures are forged and dreams become reality. Are you ready to dive into the world of business and accountancy? In TIP Manila, our College of Business Education offers a diverse range of programs designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the ever-evolving business landscape. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now! See you, future tycoons!
Omido for the beat.
What's up, PIPians? So ngayon guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Technological Institute of the Philippines, Manila Campus. So kami nga pala ang iyong host ngayong araw. Ako nga pala si Paula Andre Sari at kasama ko si
Reka Alfonso Iluna.
So yun nga pala, ngayon sa TIP ay meron tayong enrollment going. So sa mga gusto mag-inquire or mag-enroll, kindly contact mo lang dito sa TIP gamit yung mga page na yan and link. Tapos pwede nyo rin kami kontakin, sundan nyo nyo sa baba sa description. So pwede rin kayo pumasok sa school pag marami pa kayong katanungan, inquiries, tuition, and marami pa kayong makukuha dito sa ating school.
Today, maghahanap tayo ng mga students here in TIP Manila College of Business Education Department na pwede nating interviewin. So, sakto, may isang students dito na pwede nating interviewin. Kaya tara.
Question po ano pong name, year, and program nyo?
My name is Joshua Michael Labero. Third year Logistics and Supply Chain Management.
My name is Ben. I'm a third year marketing management student.
Tayaming Ariel Bautista, third year BSA IS.
So ito po ang una nating katanungan. In one word, what is College of Business Education?
Adventure.
I guess connections.
Competitive.
Next question is why choose CBE?
Because you meet different interesting people and they're also businessmen. Nakaka-inspire.
Yung mga professors very, interactive sa mga students. Tapos, provides lots of opportunities, lots of surprises and events.
Next kuya is, what is your memorable experience here in CBE?
CBE Days.
CBE days.
Sa Next Stop Model, ayun ang pinaka-memorable sa akin kasi hindi ko expected na mananalo ako and mahakot ko yung award.
Siguro yung opportunity nila na binigay sa akin kung makapag-Sakura Science, yung exchange student from Japan.
Dinala kayo dun sa Japan.
Yes.
So yun, maraming salamat Boss Joshua and thank you sa pagtanong natin. Thank you. So that's a very great answer from Ate Althea. So okay Ate Althea, thank you very much for asking our question and so bye-bye Tipians.